Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about spins. I'm going to cover how to start a spin, how to stop a spin, the number one thing most people do wrong, and how to control your spinning speed. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Start in a hip key. Reach down the tail end of the fabric and start making big stirring motions with your hand. You need to start slowly. The aim is to have the very end of the silk circling around underneath you. Once the end is circling, you can speed up your stirring motion to go faster. Once you're spinning like this, if you were to come back to a climb, your spin would get a whole lot faster. I'll explain why later. If you want to stop spinning, what you'll need to do is repeat the same stirring motion you used to start the spin, but now in the opposite direction. Once you've stopped the rotation, you can safely come back to a climb. Alright, let's take a look at the most common mistakes when trying to spin. The stirring motion has started too fast. The circles are too small. The middle of the silk is circling rather than the end. It's going to be really hard to build speed in a spin like this. To make it easier to see the differences between a good spin and a bad spin, let's take a look at them side by side. On the left, you can see the circling motion is small, fast, and the middle of the fabric is circling. On the right, it starts out much slower, bigger, and the end of the silk is circling. If we freeze the frame here, you can clearly see the difference in shape of the silk. If you guys are enjoying this tutorial, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Last up, let's talk about how you can control the speed of your spin once you're already spinning. I'm going to use the first part of the hip key combo spin as a demonstration for this. If you want to see the full tutorial for this spin, you can click the link in the top right corner or in the description box down below. Your body position plays a huge role in how fast you spin. If you spread out, moving your arms and legs away from the center of the spin, you'll slow down. Pull in tight and you'll speed up. This is why if you start a spin in a hip key and then come back to a climb, your spin will get faster. I hope this tutorial has helped you to understand spins a little better. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!